A verdict in tonight following an intense week-long murder trial. Good evening. Thank you for joining us. I'm Brenda Medina. An Hidalgo County jury says guilty as charged for a man accused in the strangulation death of his mother's caregiver. Our Mike Jimenez has been following this trial all week and has the latest details.
Good evening, Brenda. We spoke with family and friends of Maria Elisa Garza, who say they are pleased with the jury's decision.
If you could say something to Elisa, what would you say at this time?
I have no words.
Through tears, Sandra Garza expresses her happiness after a jury found 37-year-old Juan Manuel Hernandez guilty of the 2017 death of 61-year-old Maria Elisa Garza.
Feeling joy, happiness. They finally got justice. It's been 2 years. We've been waiting for this day.
The jury, comprised of 10 men and 2 women, came back with a guilty verdict after deliberating for nearly 2 hours in what some could consider a bizarre and complex trial. Hernandez claims to have found the body of Garza bundled up in her car parked in front of his apartment, and he says the car just showed up one night. But rather than call police, Hernandez said he took the body into his apartment and unwrapped it, not notifying police until the following afternoon. While awaiting justice, Garza's daughter, Andrea, died in January of this year. So in her place, Andrea's father came to make sure that happened.
I was here since with my daughter all this time. She wants justice for her mom's death. Unfortunately, my daughter can't be here anymore.
While Hernandez maintained his innocence even while taking the stand today, jurors were unswayed. Defense attorney for Hernandez, Jesus Villalobos, and his co-counsel say they respect the jury's decision and hope this brings closure to everyone involved.
My co-counsel, Jorge Salinas, we've done everything we could to present our case to make sure this man had a fair trial, and he did. He got a fair trial. The judge did a great job. The jury ultimately spoke.
And Sandra Garza says tonight is a victory, and she is thankful to the DA's office for their hard work.
It's finally over. I'm glad that hopefully our friends can rest in peace already.
After the jury handed down their decision, Judge Israel Ramon revoked Hernandez's bond. He was immediately taken into custody and is expected to be sentenced in mid-September. In our McAllen newsroom, I'm Mike Jimenez for KVL Local 23 News.